What's up guys, Steve here. Today we're going to build the ultimate trading card storage shelf. I already have 2 of these shelves, but I'm running out of space. Too many cards, time to make another shelf. These are my shelves that are completely filled with cards and I need to make another one. The reason why these shelves are so special is because they have drawers on them that pull all the way out. Now they aren't cheap. These cost around 450 Australian dollars if you want to buy these and assemble them from IKEA. It's a little bit more than a normal storage shelf that you get from a hardware store, but I think it's worth it. They look really nice, and over time, the benefits will definitely outweigh the cost. Are you going to help me build the shelf today? Nope. So this is what the drawer looks like when it's all packed up. That's the frame next to me. The box looks much bigger than it should, so I really hope the thing I ordered is actually in there. I'm getting too old for this, so put the box on the ground, open it up. There you go, there's my base frame. So the one that I like to get is the 140 centimeter frame. You can get taller shelves if you're like really tall, they go really high up. But I like the small ones because I'm small. So I think I should call the video quits here. I'm already tired. First thing you want to do is go through all the instructions. Obviously you don't want to just wing it, but because I've done this before, I don't need instructions. Lay it out, we're going to put the wooden things inside all the holes. Why don't these just come pre-made? It's time to install the brackets. One down, one to go.
Hello, you here to help me?
Arr. Just remember, IKEA stuff should be used with a screwdriver and not a drill. But I'm a professional. So I went to step 3 and I already made a mistake because I didn't read the instructions. That's just how it is. Gotta be very delicate with this IKEA stuff. Put our top part on. Make sure part with holes goes towards the top for whatever reason. I don't know.
I don't think that's how it goes.
What do you mean?
Well, one goes at the top and one goes at the bottom.
True. So one top and then one goes at the bottom. Look at this, like a glove. Oh yeah, slides right in. First time I try, just like a glove. Yep. Oh yeah, first time's a charm. So now we've got these little metal things, and this is IKEA magic. This is what makes these so sturdy, for whatever reason. So we're gonna put it in this hole here. This is something I'm pretty good at, putting stuff in the holes, and we just slide it in. How good's that? The funny thing, I put this one on wrong. How good's that? So I gotta fix that first. All my hard work, I have to undo it, and then flip this around, put this way. One of my wooden thingy-majiggies came out. The other one came out too. This is a terrible build. With the might of King Arthur. Gonna leave that one in here. It's just how it is, I guess. I have just the solution. I will not be bested by a wooden dowel. Come here. Oh, how good's that, mate? All right, get in there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Back on top. No messing around. No messing around. Nobody is messing around. First time's a charm. We got it in there. Second time. Same thing as before. Oh yeah. So far, not too bad. Now we have to get the other side of it and then put it on top. I'm a professional, so I should be able to do this pretty easily. Kim, can you come? Can you come help? Just act like I'm doing it myself. Don't show. Okay. Oh, picking this up. Oh, I'm so strong. Wait, let me get mine in first. Okay. First one's all done, and oh. Second one's all done. How easy is that? Nice and firm. We have a slight problem. We were supposed to put the back on before we put the top on, and that is just, they have it wrong in the instructions. So I'm just gonna take this off by myself really quick. Just, there we go. Just taking this off. Nice and easy. This backing thing, supposed to slide in this little hole here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's there. And you want to make sure the white part faces inside of the build. All the way in. Tuck it into the bottom. There we go. Nice and gently. You don't want to go too crazy. Why am I doing this? Okay. And now that the back is on. Okay. All right. And now that the back is on, I'm going to lift the top up again by myself and let's do it. Lift with your legs out there, everyone. Look at this. Oh, like a glove. Just gotta put these 6 bad boys in there. So, wish me luck. Boop, 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 beep, pop. Hey, fancy seeing you here. Now we have to tighten up all the little silver things we put in. Ooh, getting too old for this shit. Shout out to all the builders out there. Mad respect. One more side to go. Ooh. Don't be afraid to hit it. Ooh. The perfect backdrop. Now these shelves are all completed, and I've just completed the shell of this one. So time to get some drawers in there. This is the fun part. And here I thought I was finished. I have to nail this backboard on, because this backboard makes it nice and sturdy, and nailing it turns the backboard on. PSA for anyone out there who wants to do this, don't build this at midnight, because you might make people upset. There's no reason to have this many nails, by the way, IKEA. You know, I'd be good at making scarecrows. Now we are finally finished with the frame. This is actually finished this time. Time to make some drawers and put them in this bad boy. Now we are on to the drawers. We got this trusty knife, and we just got to cut underneath it to... I don't know what this does, but it does something. Oh, there we go. Like a glove. Oh, why is there so many things to this drawer? We got some stuff going on here. These definitely need instructions. You know, the drawers should come pre-done, I think. Get these two, put them with this thing. Honestly, that's not as sturdy as I thought it'd be. You click it in, and then you unhook it from the other side by clicking that side in. All right. Are we clipped in? Hopefully it stays. Ape strong together. According to Les Constructions, you slide it in. Slide it in like it's nothing. Oh. I need longer arms. Oh, yes. Nice and simple, easy storage solution. Oh, please. All right, we just have to do this 15 more times. And just like that, we have like a rock. First drawer done.
Oh, it's half.
First drawer half done.
You need to put the front on it now.
One of these, you say? Yeah. See, knife. Ooh. Like a sword. Okay, this is the front of the drawer. I have to put it on. Drawer's finished. Time to clip it in. Do you have to hit it? You could be honest. It's the wrong way. Time to do the rails. They go on the bottom of the drawers. You got to make sure it says R. You got to match it with this little do-wacky that says R also. Because if you do left, it's not going to go on. Right done. Left. Got this. Slide it all the way down. Pull this. Clip it in. Left done. You can see in here is my empty, beautiful shelf with all these holes going down. We have to match the drawers up perfectly to how we have them on this. So you can see this first rail I have in here goes to the third hole. So when I go to this drawer, I need to make sure that I go to the third hole. My favorite hole. What we want to do is, we want to put 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. So you see I got the screw there, and hopefully this doesn't mess up. So I got these drawers, I can fit in them quite easily. We've done the right side, time to do the left.
Wait, can you do that again?
Yeah, that's a bad angle. What is it, porn? So, we've done the right side, time to do the left side. I've leveled up from a handy boy to a handy man. Good as bloody new, mate. Good as bloody new. Now we have the trusty steed, the drawer itself. Now, I should probably check the instructions, but that's for winners. fairly certain you can kind of just pull these out and pull them forward just a little bit. You'll feel it, you'll feel it. Oh, it's been felt. So this is the completed drawer, and this is the completed shelf that the drawer is gonna go in. And the instructions kind of just say, like, put it on, and then push. Fucking IKEA, man. We did it. 3 more to go. Put all the rails into the cabinet now, so we just have to attach these drawers on, and let's see how it goes. The drawer's trying to eat me, Kimberly. Save me. Save me! Drawer number 3 is complete. So as you can see here, we made a few more drawers, and over there is all the cardboard from the drawers. I hate IKEA. So just real quick, if we want to copy what we already have, you see here, there's holes there, there's a hole there, and we go down to the third one. So there's a 2-hole gap between every shelf to achieve this look of finesse with the boxes and the shelves. So yeah, we gotta go over here to this one, and we gotta skip every 2 holes. I'm tired, I'm sweaty. If this doesn't go on, I think I might kill myself, honestly. Do it, and then just push it. Just push it. It worked the first time. Drawer number 3. Drawer number 4. Last but not least, Mumbo number 5. Just like that. We're done. So there you have it, guys. That's the IKEA shelf. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have upgraded our shelves to 5 drawers, so we have to take all these down and take this out and put another drawer here and make them all the same. Move all these, move the boxes and put these next to each other, but I'll show you that another time. But I hope you enjoyed this cabinet making video. But yeah, it's all done. It's all pretty sweet. They come out really nice and easy. Not too bad for around $500. Bit on the expensive side, but you know, after it's done, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night, everybody. All right, guys, it's the next morning. Thanks for watching the video. Just a few more things just to finish off the build, just a few more structural integrity things you got to do. Otherwise, you're going to be in a world of hurt. I'll just show you on my finished build real quick what I did to finish it off, and then that's pretty much it. What you 100% have to do is you have to bolt these things to the wall using some sort of bracket or anything you can find. I just got one from a hardware store. There are other things that IKEA sells. They're like really long rails where you like put the thing onto the wall if you want to touch. But I just got some brackets. I have 4 of them going all the way through, 2 for each cabinet. It's really, really important because if you have all these drawers open, lots of weight is going to be in the front end and it's going to fall down and it's going to crush you. And I obviously don't want that to happen. And the next thing here is this shelf comes with a bracket that you 100% have to put in. This is a structural integrity bracket. So as we can see here on my shelf I worked on yesterday, I don't have that bracket in yet, but I will be doing that soon right before I fit it onto the wall, because this is really, really important. It'll widen the shelf and just keep it nice and straight for the life of it. It is IKEA and it is pretty good quality, but you have to do everything they say to meet that quality, because these are kitchen cabinet shelves. These are rated for like, I don't know, 25, 30, 35 years. They might even last forever. These might even be here when I die. So that's it for the video. Feel free, leave any comments if you have any questions or anything like that. I have a full setup video as well. I'll put that into the description. You can see everything we use, all the boxes, everything. Everything's in there. But anytime you want to leave a comment, message me on Instagram, always here. Join the Discord. My name's Steve. Thanks for watching.